woke up early before the wedding. Sort of, not really. We slept in. Enjoyed our sleep. Now we're gonna get some shit done today. All right, for the headliner shelf, we cheated a little bit. Bought this from Vancillarys, which is already a template, so we can cut along out here and trace onto our plywood, which is brilliant because it's gonna save us so much time. We've watched a lot of videos of people constantly going up and down, trying to get these unique little curves and stuff just right.
Precision.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. Are you using this?
Pooh. He just wants his food. Oh, hello. Oh, my armpit. Oh, yeah. Smell it. That's all. Taj is just a star of the show.
Trying videos. Oh my god.
Yeah. Makeshift garage in this parking lot.
It's a one-car garage.
Yeah, we working with what we got here. Got the template all put out onto the wood, taping it down. Gonna trace it around here and then cut it. Trace down the template. It's cutting time. We'll put this here. Yeah. For the shelf, the kit came with these things, so it's gonna go up, and at that flat surface, this flat surface is what's gonna hold up the shelf. Shorter one going right there by the visor, longer one right there.
They're actually really easy to do. pleasant experience, Vancillarys.
I think it's pretty flush.
You think it's flush? I think it's flush. Yeah, because it's literally flush with this.
Yeah. Let's drill some holes. Can you explain to me what all these parts are to drills or to screws? So where is this supposed to go on?
So in this whole case, this is a bolt, this is a nut, and that's a washer.
Saga continues. This may be the second video back. 2 videos ago, this was giving us a little headache. We went to Home Depot. This beautiful, sweet old man tried to help us best match the other screw because it was stripped away. Yesterday I was very hangry. We woke up, treated ourselves, but I'm used to eating protein in the morning and having a well-balanced meal. Yeah, so we just went straight for the donuts and coffee and then had to get up and go to grab the solar. So I was a little bit agitated, and yeah, I drank coffee this morning, so that's why you see some stuff. So I'm just gonna polyurethane this shelf that we made yesterday for the headliner, and Andrew's gonna drill down some more parts of the floor. Gosh, I'm sorry, I'm grimy this morning. Yeah, and I think that may have to be it, because then we have to go to a wedding later and get ready for that. So stay tuned, we'll see what we get done. We got a stain colored poly. Polyurethane is to protect the wood from any water or moisture. What's up?
I'm just reading the directions.
Gotta mix that on top.
Yeah, you have to stir it, and occasionally during use.
What
So this is to
use
test it on a piece of wood first.
Okay.
I'll just
Got
use
some
this,
scrap wood here.
but I would just put this on the ground. Use this to stir it.
Nice. It. It's like a warm wood stain. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. We want to stain this just because in the cab area where we're driving, we'll be able to see up top, and it'll just be nice to see a different color wood, not this pale color. And there's the sun. Oh yeah. What we got, Andrew? What's Andrew doing today?
Finishing the floor up here.
Andrew's cutting wood to fit right underneath the seats here.
Tight fit, tell you what.
One layer down. One more to go. Second layer down. I'll show you what that, oh, it's right here. The dried bit looks like with just one layer. I think it looks so good and warm. And again, this is just to go up there. So we didn't want to put any cloth. Some people put cloth over it as their finish, but we figured we're only going to be storing in that shelf our comforter and maybe a few books, so we didn't go too crazy. Also, that's why I'll have to double check with Andrew, but that's why we didn't get that thick of plywood. Some people get like it this thick. Shoot, I really wish I remember the name or how thick that was. Wow, how thick is this, babe?
Half inch.
Half inch. We went with a half inch. Waterproofing done. It looks pretty. Come over this side. It's a nice warm wood.
Warm wood.
Now this is where our comforter and probably some books will go on top of.
Nice.
Like that, we got a shelf. Woo! We're gonna put some finishing tape over here so you won't see these letters. But also there's gonna be a partition wall and then a little opening cabinet so you can get to this top shelf. You'll see eventually. This is what it looks like above. We'll be in the cab area. So warm. Look at that. So bought this tape. Match and patch. Got like a warm color wood to put right along here so it looks like a clean finish.